Hey friends, today, May 5th, 2020, is Giving Tuesday Now, a new global day of giving and unity as an emergency response to the unprecedented need caused by COVID-19. As such, I am appealing to you to consider supporting UBtheCURE LLC today. Over 10 years ago, I had a life-changing experience that opened my eyes to the social determinants of health and how poverty, discrimination, violence, religious intolerance, and racism make us sick. I realized that no matter what we did to treat disease in a clinical sense, it really didn't matter if we sent patients right back out into a world that failed to properly treat people equally with dignity, care, and love. And so, I founded UBtheCURE to treat people and not just disease, with the expectation that by treating social ills, people would enjoy better health outcomes. That's what UBtheCURE is all about. Not just curing diagnosable diseases, but the social conditions that undergird them. Now, while we are not a charitable organization and operate under a for-profit model, I can guarantee you that 100% of our services go toward the eradication of disease and the uplift of humanity. I can also assure you that UBtheCURE gives more services than we often can afford, because we understand that no one has a monopoly on information or inspiration. Nonetheless, you won't get any tax breaks for supporting us today, but you will ensure that UBtheCURE can continue to deliver health and human rights services without having to worry about the health of our own organization during a time when the world desperately needs a cure. So, if you've ever benefited from anything I've shared, if you've ever been blessed by content produced by my organization, I invite you to use your favorite financial platform and give now to UBtheCURE on this Giving Tuesday. Remember, we all used to be somebody else. What's most important is that we're always working to be better today than we were yesterday. You be the cure you wish to see in the world. Peace and generous blessings.